Today is Tuesday and it's time for our weekly stamping collab. This week our host was Jurinka Nail Art and these are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. As a base, I created a smushy mani using these two polishes from Barielle, Blue Capri and Pearly White. On two nails I applied Blue Capri and on the other two I created a smushy mani. To stamp, I'll use my Ejiubas stamping plate EJB-X07. I stamped the snow image on two nails using my white Maniology stamping polish called Bam White. Then I used the Maniology black polish called Straight Up Black to pick up the Snowman image. I used different polishes to fill it in. The final step will be to apply white polish over the entire image to make sure it pops when I apply it over the nail. While I wait for the image to completely dry, I'll apply my foil glue to make sure that the image sticks onto my nail. Now we're ready to stamp. I'll seal the design in with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. This is the completed manicure and I really love the way the little snowman turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!